Millions of people take aspirin every day, trusting it to protect their heart and improve their health. But what most don't realize is that this tiny pill can have hidden risks that slowly affect the body over time. Some of these side effects can turn serious before you even notice the warning signs. If you're taking aspirin daily, this is something you can't afford to ignore. Let's reveal the 5 shocking side effects you need to know. Aspirin is one of the most commonly used medicines in the world. Millions take it every day for heart protection or pain relief, trusting it as a safe and harmless habit. But daily use is not always as simple as it seems. There are hidden risks that quietly build up over time, and most people don't notice them until it's too late. Before you make aspirin a part of your daily routine, here's what you really need to know. Aspirin is a blood thinner. It works by preventing blood clots from forming inside your body, which is why doctors often recommend it to lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. It keeps blood flowing smoothly and reduces pressure on the heart. But here's the problem. This same effect that protects you can also harm you, especially when aspirin is taken every day without proper medical guidance. Side effect #1. Stomach bleeding. This is one of the most common and most dangerous effects of daily aspirin use. It often starts quietly. You may not feel anything at first, but inside your body, aspirin can slowly damage the protective lining of your stomach. Over time, this can lead to painful ulcers or even internal bleeding. What makes it more alarming is that many people ignore the early warning signs. Black or tarry stools, vomiting blood, or severe stomach pain are signals your body is in trouble. By the time these symptoms appear, the damage may already be serious. In some cases, people don't realize what's happening until they feel weak, dizzy, or even collapse. If left untreated, this condition can become life-threatening. That's why daily aspirin should never be taken casually, especially if you already have stomach issues or are sensitive to medications. Side effect #2. Increased bleeding risk. Aspirin works by thinning your blood, which sounds helpful, but it comes with a hidden risk. When your blood becomes too thin, your body loses its ability to stop bleeding quickly. This means even a small cut or injury can take much longer to heal. You might notice that minor wounds bleed more than usual, or bruises appear easily without a clear reason. But the real danger is not what you can see. It's what happens inside your body. Aspirin can increase the risk of internal bleeding in organs like the stomach or even the brain. This kind of bleeding can go unnoticed until it becomes severe. The longer you take aspirin daily, the higher this risk becomes, especially if combined with other medications. What seems like a simple daily habit can slowly turn into a serious health threat if not monitored properly. Side effect #3. Kidney damage. Most people don't associate aspirin with kidney problems, but long-term use can quietly affect how your kidneys function. Your kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter waste from your body. Aspirin can reduce this blood flow over time, putting extra stress on these vital organs. The damage doesn't happen overnight, it builds slowly, often without obvious symptoms in the beginning. That's what makes it dangerous. You might feel completely normal while your kidney function is gradually declining. As the damage progresses, signs like fatigue, swelling in the legs, or changes in urination may appear. Older adults and people who already have kidney issues are at even higher risk. Daily aspirin, especially without medical supervision, can turn into a silent threat to your kidney health. By the time symptoms show, the condition may already be difficult to reverse. Side effect #4. Allergic reactions. For some people, aspirin is not just a medicine, it's a trigger. An allergic reaction to aspirin can happen suddenly, even if you've taken it before without problems. It may start with mild symptoms like a skin rash, itching, or slight swelling, but in certain cases, the reaction can escalate quickly. Breathing may become difficult, the face or throat can swell, and the body may go into a severe response. This condition can become life-threatening if not treated immediately. What's worrying is that many people don't realize they are allergic until it actually happens. Taking aspirin daily increases the chances of repeated exposure, which can make reactions worse over time. This is why it's important to pay attention to any unusual changes after taking the medicine. Ignoring early signs can put you at serious risk without warning. Side effect #5. Risk of brain bleeding. This is one of the rarest but most serious risks linked to daily aspirin use. Because aspirin thins the blood, it can increase the chances of bleeding inside the brain. This type of bleeding can lead to a hemorrhagic stroke, a condition that can cause sudden weakness, confusion, loss of balance, or even collapse. The frightening part is how quickly it can happen, often without much warning. While the risk is low for most people, it becomes higher with long-term use, especially in older adults or those with high blood pressure. A small imbalance in the body can turn into a critical emergency. Even though aspirin is often taken to prevent heart problems, in some cases, it may increase the risk of serious brain complications. This is why daily use should always be carefully considered and guided by a medical professional. Aspirin can save lives, but only when it's used the right way and under proper guidance. What seems like a simple daily habit can quietly harm your body if taken without understanding the risks. That's why it's so important to stay informed and never ignore the warning signs your body gives you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and clear health information that can protect you and your family. Stay informed, stay careful, and most importantly, stay safe.